I know, Friday the 13th seems like a bad idea to be going out on a motorbike ride, but I need to do a kit check for my NC500 run in Easter, and this is the time to do it. And this was the moment, watching this stuff back, that I realised I'd left my old settings on the GoPro and not changed them or checked them for my next ride. Lessons learned. Well, the bike's all parked up, tent set up, just waiting for my camping buddy to turn up. What to do, what to do. Oh, that's nice. I thought I was taking the piss with a big tent. What's that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a lot of people in there, if you wanted. Again. Again. You did it. Oh my god, last night was so cold. Oh, I did not expect that. My sleeping bag is too cold. Ooh, ooh. Hot, hot, hot. So that was supposed to be a quick run out and a quick test of my kit for the NC500. A couple of quick changes that I've made are to swap out these old silver pegs for these nice Y-shaped ones. They dig in much better to soft ground. The sleeping bag, this thing is my daughter's summer sleeping bag, and it's like good to 11 degrees centigrade. The tent was frozen on the inside, and so was I. So I'm getting rid of this thing, and I'm going to use either my military issued Corinthia sleeping bag, which should be good down to, I don't know, -15 or something. I'll probably use this unless I can get a new sleeping bag to turn up in time that's like budget and good down to, I don't know, -2, 3 comfort. This might be overkill. This thing's huge. It fills up my duffel. But yeah, a couple of quick changes. Apart from that, I think I've got pretty much everything set for my NC500 run, even though this tent is massive. Oh, and I got a lot of condensation up from the ground here, so I'm going to put down the footprint that comes with this. And that should solve that. This means the next time I'm camping, I should be in Scotland. Fingers crossed.